Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today you can see this is our project Urban Greens, and this is our model apartment of 3 BHK 1265 square feet sellable area. So please come inside. So this is the living area, as you can see, beautifully planned. And smartly designed. So come inside. So on my front you can see this is the first bedroom. So we are entering into the first bedroom. You can see. So on this side you can see this is the wardrobe space. You can decorate according to your choice. And on the left side you can see this is the French style window. So now on the right side of the dining you can see the dining area. So beautifully utilization of the dining area. And just behind that you can see this is the kitchen space. So come inside. So this is the kitchen space along with a L pattern kitchen with black stone countertop and exhaust points, and also a space for refrigerator along with the points. So just adjacent to the kitchen you can see this is the balcony area attached with the living cum dining space. So now see, just adjacent to that you can also get 2 bedrooms. So we are entering into the second bedroom. With a king size bed along with both the side windows French style, and you can decorate wardrobe like this. And with this bedroom you can also have an attached toilet. So this is the attached toilet area. So now come this side. So you can see this is the third bedroom. So we are entering into the third bedroom. You can decorate this like your kids' bedroom. Along with that you can have another French style window. So again we are coming to the dining area, and just adjacent to the dining area you can also have your common toilet area, and this area specifically designed for utility space along with the points for water inlet. And this is the common toilet along with wall mount commode. So this project is having excellent connectivity because this project is situated just 250 meters from Chinar Park crossing, which is the main landmark of the New Town city center area. Along with that, you can also get great connectivity from International Airport Kolkata. So as per the end use is concerned, this is a value for investment and 100% habitable. Nearby markets, shopping malls and grocery stores all are available within a throne's throwing distance. So if you like this project, then please call us as early as possible, because we are running with some great schemes, bank schemes specifically, and we are also accepting online bookings for our project due to this COVID-19 pandemic season, and our booking amount is totally refundable in case of cancellation. And for great offers, please contact as early as possible, because we are having very limited number of flats available. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more updates, then please subscribe our channel for further details. Thank you. Thanks a lot.